Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2017 Cadillac XT5 Platinum Edition. It comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as heated and cooled leather seats, heads-up display, dual pane panoramic sunroof, as well as adaptive cruise control, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, you're going to have cup holder and storage on the bottom here. It's going to come equipped with your Bose premium speaker sound system. You can access your rear liftgate from there as well. It's going to have that tan leather and wood chrome finish. Of course, you're going to have your mirror memory and as well as your power locks, power mirrors as well. Here you're going to have the heated and ventilated leather seats. It's going to come equipped with the thigh extension as well. Once you hop in, it's going to have wood and tan leather on that dash. Of course, you can access your park brake and your heads-up display there as well. And onto the steering wheel on the left side, you have your cruise control and as well as your voice recognition, with the wood paneling out there on the steering wheel as well. Of course, on the right side, you're gonna have your odometer control as well as your volume control. On the left side at the bottom, you're gonna have your forward collision alert, your lane keep assist, and as well as your heated steering wheel. And on the right, you're gonna have your seat track there as well. Of course, you got the Cadillac odometer there as well. Here, we're gonna have our navigation there as well. Just gonna hit home. Of course, you can access your Bluetooth connectivity. You can access your climate as well as OnStar navigation.
OnStar ready. Thank you. Goodbye.
As well as you can access your rear camera there as well and your rear climate. You're going to have the classic Cadillac shifter as well as your different drive modes as well as your all-wheel drive. Of course, you're going to have wireless charging pad and as well as 2 USB ports there as well. Of course, the passenger side is going to have that same finish there as well. On the same door, you're going to have tan suede here on the dash there. Of course, you're going to have the new rear digital camera and then just a regular. Of course, up top, you can have your universal garage door opener as well as your sunglass case holder. And you can access your dual pane sunroof there as well. You're going to have these 20-inch aluminum wheels. You're going to have your monochrome badging on the sign with the paint match mirror cap and keyless entry chrome door handles. As well as you're going to chrome luggage rack, up top. Of course, hands-free liftgate, as well as you're gonna have the dual exhaust here in the back. As well, it's gonna have the splitter up here, so in case you need to separate some items or anything you're carrying, and as well as you're gonna have wheel well storage just on the bottom there, and an extra 12-volt DC port. It's a very spacious rear. And onto the rear, you're gonna have that same wood and tan finish there, just with the power window. You're gonna have the cup holder and storage there on the bottom there as well. You hop inside. In the back, you're going to have your rear heated seats as well as your ventilation, and you're going to have 2 USB ports there on the bottom. Storage behind the driver and passenger seat as well. And you can also just pull down the classic cup holder and armrest there as well. And right above you, you're going to have the dual pane sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2017 Cadillac XT5 Platinum Edition. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as an 8-speed automatic transmission, and such as adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, dual pane sunroof, premium heated and cooled leather seats, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you subscribe and hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.